Hey guys, an unboxing from the Razor Company. So whenever you purchase from the Razor Company, Jason and his crew send out a couple of little things. This is a sticker, it says traditional shaver. And then, you know, a little thank you card, definitely appreciated. And then he doesn't always send these out. I've ordered probably 6 times or so from them. And I've gotten 2 of these. This is the little trees. What is the scent on this? It's like a sweet barbershop type scent, and you can tell it's got a little straight razor on there. It's a really cool red, white, and blue little tree there, and the other one has been in my car since I received it from the Razor Company probably 2 months ago, 3 months ago. It's long, the scent is long overdue, but anyway. Okay, so just 3 items for the unboxing. 2 were on sale, so I went ahead and picked them up. This is, I think it's Mule, but yeah, it's 2 balms from them. One is sandalwood and one is sea buckthorn, I believe. Yeah, sea buckthorn. Sea buckthorn, and anyway, so I'll pop these open really quick. I've already smelled them. I'll kind of show you. It's 2 separate, so this is the actual things themselves. Try to make this quick so you guys don't have to watch too long. Comes with these little clear caps. But it's kind of weird because there's 2 different, I mean, it's the same kind of push down to, you know, squirt the stuff, but you can see on the front there, it looks like this one's missing something, but it's not. This is the design. It's just 2 different designs of the actual cap. Anyway, so the scent, the sea buckthorn is very sweet. It's a very, very pleasant, I don't know what to say other than it's like sweet. I kind of get a little bit of peach. I don't know, but it's a very, very pleasant and fun scent. And then the sandalwood, my wife likes the sandalwood more. It's a bit sweeter of a sandalwood than most sandalwoods. It would actually go really well with the Art of Shaving's sandalwood. It's not quite as sweet as that, but it would match fairly well. And then the last thing I bought is Abate a la Mantilla, and this is Don Jose. And I'll go over the whole thing in the actual shave. But yeah, you pop the top there. This is the presentation. It does have this little pamphlet about the company and whatnot. It actually gives you the scent notes and ingredients on this. Very, very cool as far as that goes. Then the soap itself, there's nothing else in the box other than the soap. This is the label, made in Italy. The reason I purchased this is because I've been looking at this soap for the past 4 or 5 years. When I first started wet shaving, this is one of the soaps that I wanted to pick up at that point in time, but the price has always thrown me off. And like I said, in the review itself, I'll kind of go over all of that. But what I can tell you is I am so glad that I actually purchased it. The scent on this is phenomenal. It's simple. It's banana and coconut. That's it. But it's like you have a fresh banana cut up in pieces and coconut. I mean, it's just phenomenal. The scent is awesome. Love it. I can't wait to lather it. That's the actual pour. I have not lathered yet. I haven't used this soap at all. That's going to be what I'm going to take all this off with, so can't wait. But yeah, Abate la Mantilla, Don Jose, and 2 Mule, I don't know, balms, aftershave balms. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, comment down below. Also, in the description of this video, there is a affiliate link for the Razor Company. I get a small kickback if you guys were to purchase something through that affiliate link. Doesn't cost you. They don't charge you any extra for that. It's just I get a small percentage back. So anyway, all right, guys. Hope you enjoy.